Hello my dear friends, how you've been doing? Today I'm super excited to share with you a delicious and healthy recipe for vegan white yogurt. This yogurt is so creamy and flavorful that you won't even miss traditional yogurt. You can use this yogurt as an ingredient for various other delicious vegan recipes. So stay tuned to the channel because soon we'll bring you more exciting updates. Are you ready? Here's what you'll need. Now let's go through the step-by-step process. First, heat the plant-based milk in a saucepan until it's lukewarm, making sure not to let it boil. Next, if you want a thicker yogurt, dissolve the cornstarch in a little cold water and add it to the lukewarm milk. This will help give it consistency. Now, the magic step. Open the probiotic capsules and mix the contents into the milk. The probiotics will work their fermentation magic. If you like a sweet touch, add the 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Remember, the sugar is optional and you can adjust the amount according to your taste. Pour the mixture into the sterilized glass container and cover it with a clean cloth. Now, leave the container in a warm place for 12 to 24 hours. This allows the yogurt to ferment and thicken. And there you have it, your vegan yogurt is ready. You can refrigerate it to make it firmer before savoring. This white vegan yogurt is a healthy and versatile alternative to traditional yogurt. Use it in your favorite recipes with fresh fruits, granola, or as a base for sauces and desserts. Now that you've watched this far, the least you can do to repay our efforts is to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this video with everyone who needs to know about this delicious vegan yogurt. Drop a comment below if you have difficulty finding any ingredients. We're always here to answer your questions. Hope you love this recipe as much as I do. Enjoy and have a delicious and healthy meal. Until next time.